driving on first.
Yeah.
There's been a, what did you say? There's a car in the ditch?
It looks like there's a car in the ditch.
It's very stormy out tonight, and we had hail and stuff, so I guess
This up 'cause I'm getting soaked.
somebody went into the ditch.
Yes.
There they are coming, and sorry it was so blurry, but it's stormy outside. I don't think this was even in the forecast.
Yeah, we're supposed to rain this afternoon.
Was it?
No.
Wasn't supposed to storm. See, there you go for weather reporting. They tell you it's going to be the blizzard of the century and nothing happens. They tell you it's going to be like horribly windy and terrible and it's sunny outside. And then they don't say anything and we get plastered.
But they told us there was going to be
They didn't
rain.
say storm.
Well,
they
they
said
didn't
it
say
might
storm,
be
you're right.
showers, 30% chance of
Yeah,
showers.
But we've actually had thunder and lightning and hail.
Yeah, hail, which is
something-
very odd for here. And Jeremy or Connor and Devin both said the clouds were rotating over top of the house.
They were very, very dark, that's for sure.
So, yeah. And look how dark they are now. Look at that. Dark.
Oh, nighttime, honey.
Yeah, nighttime.
You
Not
don't know
even
these
6
things.
o'clock. It's nighttime. Oh, if this was in the summertime, this wouldn't be nighttime. This would just be the afternoon still. It's so depressing. Oh, it's only what? What's today? Oh, the 26th. So it'll be, no, yeah, the 26th. So it'll be Boxing Day in a month. And, yeah, in less than a month.
And then the days get longer.
The less than a month, the days get longer.
Woo!
That's exciting, isn't it?
It's very exciting.
I'm told I'm supposed to leave this on because there are no police at that accident yet. So let's just leave the camera on and we'll talk, shall we?
You weren't listening.
Well,
I said leave it on so it says focus since it's taking forever
Oh,
to focus.
well, I'll just
I don't
leave,
want to talk to those tubes the whole way there.
I'll just leave this on for a moment.
Okay.
Apparently, you know Dylan had his dental surgery, right? I was watching that video last night.
Did you watch that video?
But he recorded, Uncle Bill got to record the actual surgery part.
Did you post that too?
Yes, but not in the same video because I would have fainted. I'm surprised he didn't. You know what Bill's like.
Guy works in the
would-
cemetery.
That would not have been good. And then apparently the dentist even said he would do a video for him with his little tiny little teeny weeny camera.
Oh, really?
But he's like, no, I don't need to get that close.
I can see Bill doing that. Oh, no, that's okay. I don't need to get that close.
If you don't know who Bill is my brother. He's got a YouTube channel called Bill's T-Max. And
He gives away good fishing spots on that video.
yes, he gives
On that
away
channel.
excellent fishing spots on that channel. Maybe they don't need a police officer at that thing.
Well, usually when there's an accident of any kind, you have police officers.
Well,
two
that's
ambulances,
true. I'm
and a
sure
fire
glad they're in
department.
a hurry to get here. Maybe it's an undercover one. You know, sometimes they don't use their lights.
That's a possibility. But usually they do have something. Yeah.
Usually they have a little of something, yes. They don't use their sirens very often, though.
No, this is true. None of the cars I saw. I saw 3 police cars last night responding to
Robbery of a charity box, believe it or not, for a lady who got hit by a car in Herring Cove. She got hit by a car and she's got, I think, 3 or 4 kids and she's in serious condition in the hospital. People are trying to get money together for her kids for Christmas, and somebody stole the charity box yesterday for her. Anyway, sorry, carry on. So you saw these police cars with no lights.
Three different cops at 3 different times scooting down Dybrack there, or Northwest Arm Drive, whatever you call it. And so I was kind of curious as to where they're going, and I found out this morning.
Yeah, that sucks, doesn't it?
It does.
Well, I hope when they find those people, they wallop them with everything they can.
Well, that would not be proper for the police to do that. But however, if they
Okay, I'll
then an
volunteer to
occasional
wallop
shot,
them.
I would agree with it.
I'll wallop them then. They could just give me a call. I'm always happy to wallop an imbecile.
Oh, hucky ducky saw. That's what she does to me.
I haven't done that for a long time.
What? Hit me? Punch me?
Well,
Dug your fingernails in
I
me?
dug my fingernails in you.
Done that like last night.
Yeah, I did, because you're being obnoxious.
I was not being obnoxious. I was playing with my son.
That was being obnoxious. When he's screaming for you to let him go.
Did you see the marks he left on my arms?
No, I was trying to make better ones. I hope I did.
Well, there's blood. Does that make you happy?
Oh, look at that pretty house. Look at, I love those lights. They're so, oh, they made like a tree. Oh, it's not a tree. Okay, that's my imagination working overtime now.
Imagine that. Dylan's imagination working overtime.
Yep, imagine that.
You're painting on your son.
I don't think there's,
but that's okay.
I think if there's any police coming, they have already, maybe they're going around the other way.
That's a possibility.
Anyway, well, I guess if we see any more police.
The hail's all melted already. Though.
Yeah, the hail's gone. Well, no, there's still, yeah, maybe. I don't know. Robin was going to take the dog for a walk, but it was too slippy.
Huh.
So anyway, Jeremy's at work only till 8:30 tonight, so that's tonight, sorry. So that's nice. And, yes, so that's about it at the moment. So if I see anything exciting, I'll get a video of it for you. Okay, see ya. Well, I don't know if you can see this clearly. It's just gonna be a ooh, okay. That looks like it's a video from the 1970s. It was a house. It wasn't on fire. That was actually the Christmas lights. But it looked like it was on fire because it just looked red. Anyway, I think the storm's going. There's still no police cars around though, so I guess they're just, I don't know. Beats the heck out of me.
You want me to what? Ow! You hurt me!
Yeah, there's nothing. There's nothing. It's giving me nothing.
Alright. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Holy crap, they're everywhere. Major event here.
Oh my gosh, what the heck is happening? And an undercover one.
No, he just got pulled over, I think.
Oh, jeez. What the heck is...
Good day, Tubes.
Good day, Tubes!
I don't know if I caught you there.
I think you might have got my arm.
We're heading off to
IKEA!
IKEA.
Oh, see, we're not going to the library anymore.
We'll probably go on the way back.
But I didn't bring any books and I'm closed today.
No, they're closed today.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Anyway, so today is my first day off on my new job, so
We're putting him to work at home.
I get the afternoons off anyways, but I get to stay home tonight. So, yeah, I gotta paint. Anyways.
You'll be fine. You don't have to stay in the lines or anything. Well,
What?
you will. I don't want you painting the furnace.
I gotta do behind all the pipes. It's gonna be a really pain in the butt. Let me tell you.
You can do it.
Anyway, so I think I'd probably do the second coating.
No, if you do it right, you won't have to.
Anyway, so that's what we're going to do today. IKEA and whatever
Going
else.
Christmas shopping. For
Well,
me. I mean, Christmas shopping.
I'm not buying anything yet. I gotta get my first paycheck.
Oh, do I need to go in and tell you all that I want? I want one of everything. It doesn't matter what it is.
No. Her Christmas stuff just got easier thanks to IKEA, so.
Yes, thank you, IKEA.
Anyway, so that's where we're heading today, and that's all for now. Alrighty, here we go, and it's snowing way over
Shh.
there. I'm just saying.
Oh, what am I doing? I want to wash my windshield. I'm washing the back ones. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry. Hey, it's soon going to be the anniversary of the Halifax explosion, next week.
Yeah.
We should go to that place where there's the I can't think of it. The tower that commemorates it over on I don't even remember what road is it.
Hey, there's a taxi coming, but she's gonna. Whoa! You see that?
Oh my
I caught that
freaking
camera.
heck!
And I got that too. Finally, something cool. Yeesh.
So driving the.
Ooh, what do we have here? Oh, it's a car. Maybe a a car crash. Look, somebody got dented.
Oh,
And
there's been. Oh yeah.
I bet they ran away.
There's been a ding.
I bet they ran away.
You think so?
Yeah, because there's. Oh, wait, it's right there. Yep. It's on the other side of the street.
Oh.
Oh, boy.
Surprised you didn't drive that away. It is not snowing.
Well, you
I
can barely see it, but.
No, see, it's not. It's rain. Look, it's melting on the window.
Oh,
See?
I'm trying to get the snow.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
You can see little specks. Yep, it's snowing.
Tailing.
It's tailing.
Hail.
I wish you guys got this turned on video last night.
I didn't have your camera.
Devin had his camera there. He didn't get anything.
I thought he said, well, who did Connor, who was Connor filming with?
Using Devin's camera, but I don't know what they got. It's probably like
Well, he just grabbed it.
screaming
so-
little kids. Oh, and there's that floating thing, and there's a Navy ship.
Oh, yes, and if we look carefully, we might see Robert out there.
He's not on a Navy ship, though.
He's not on a Navy ship. Better not be.
Here's a,
He didn't tell us anything about that. If he was going... What is that noise?
it's a car.
If he's going to be, that's fine, but I'd like to know in advance.
Look at snow over there.
That is rain.
That is
Oh, I
snow.
wish you'd stop. Ooh!
The big ship's in again. I forgot what it's called.
The big container ship. That's it.
That's it, yeah.
That's what
I
it's
don't
called.
really need sunglasses on, do I?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Not... Oh, yeah, I do. Ooh, it's bright. Ooh.
It is right
It helps
now.
me not to see the sun, or I mean the... well, yeah, that. And it helps me not to see the snow. So Robert should be out somewhere on a boat. Either out there...
There's a boat out there. Or are they going to the house?
They're not... I don't think they're going to the house.
Maybe they're not out right now because it's cold. It's chilly. Alright, here we go on the bridge. I'm sick of going on this bridge, you know that?
Where do you want to go across the other one?
Halifax Explosion. We always go on this bridge.
I'm sorry. It's just easier to get
I know
to
it is
here.
easier. We just go on it all the time. And they repave this.
They are probably going to do something to this bridge next. It doesn't need to be done, but heck, let's do it anyway. Oh, and it's windy today.
Here we go.
I don't see any smaller boats. He's out there on a boat,
I
like a
can't-
barge.
Well, I can't see over there, so I'll have to see on the way back.
I don't think he's out there on that big one. Couldn't be out on
No,
that big.
that boat is for the
That's
oil
what I
rigging
thought.
thing.
We need to go on this trail because it looks really cool. This trail down here.
Oh, yeah, is it open now?
Yeah.
Speaking of oil rigging thing, it's gone.
Is it gone?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know why they didn't just drop it off where they have to deliver it, but whatever. Look at the snow over there. Over there.
Oh.
Right up there.
It's not. It's gonna warm up by then. It'll be like 15 degrees. It'll be rainy.
Looks cold. Alright, so my dad has a Mac Pass today, so we gotta put the money in the bucket.
Money. Jeez.
Relax.
Oh
Relax.
my gosh, what the heck was that?
Relax.
Get your money in there. And then
Pay.
it should say go. There we go.
Go.
Then you all come out at the same time to try and get into the same lane.
Yes. Alright, we never come in this way in IKEA. I haven't anyways.
Haven't you?
No, we always going from the highway.
Oh.
So I'll film this because it's new for me. Unless you're gonna turn here.
No, I'm not turning here. I'm going straight. We're going to go into the moon.
Yep. Look how this is Nova Scotia's,
This is probably what our yard looked like.
this is what pretty much it is when you dig in your backyard. Just
Yeah.
rock. Nothing but rock.
That's why they call it rock here. They call rock, Newfoundland the rock, but they
Yeah.
also call this the rock.
It's really annoying when you're trying to dig a trench, that's for sure.
Yes, or a garden, or a hole at all. Put a marker in the driveway, by the driveway.
There's a train.
Yeah, they're gonna build that crane right into the building.
I said there's a train.
A train? Oh, that. Oh,
Yeah.
they said that crane that they're gonna build into the building up there.
Yeah, how are they gonna get that out?
Piece by piece, I guess. Wonder what that one's gonna be. That's not gonna be Kent.
No, that's probably an office building.
Mm.
Or a hotel.
Oh yeah. Well, there's gonna be a hotel there. Just what we need, another hotel.
Yeah, just... Wait, we might be getting...
Oh, there's a sign up there for it.
We might be getting a CFL team. CFL team, sorry.
Yes, that's true. An office building.
So that's a Canadian Football League, so it's like NFL,
But it's not.
but the Grey Cup, that's the championship trophy, is like 60 years older than the Super Bowl. So there's some history for you.
Hey, I didn't know that.
Yeah, the Super Bowl was like 55, I think, this year, and this Grey Cup was 105 this year.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Oh yeah, they're selling Christmas trees here.
Yep, $20 gets you a tree,
And you get
and
20
then
bucks
you
back.
get $20 back. How is that good?
And the trees are from here. They got a lot of
Yeah,
trees.
they got a lot of trees. But I want to see what my tree looks like. I don't want to
Yeah.
see it all bundled
All
up.
bundled
I
up.
want to see what it looks like.
It looks really small too.
Yeah, I don't want to be bigger than my tree. We're gonna go next weekend. Or not this
Alright.
weekend after we get our tree. I guess I gotta go cut some
If we do
greens.
Sunday, we're at 4:30. Don't forget.
Stink. Well, we'll have to try and go Saturday. Where am I going? I'm going here.
It's quiet
It is.
and normal.
Yeah, turn. Come on, sometime today.
Anyways, we're at oh, they're from New Brunswick.
Ooh.
That
Oh,
truck.
yeah, that truck is.
His wife is probably going crazy.
Oh, IKEA! Stop the car! Start the car! Stop the car! Oh.
Anyway, so-
Oh, there's a vulture.
What?
A vulture right there, waiting to take over somebody's car.
Oh, you're talking about the truck.
Yeah.
Oh, you're talking about the bird.
No. Oh, look at all these parking spots I'm driving through.
Oh, it's rare. Anyway, so we're here. I'm gonna take off my coat so I don't have to wear it. And yeah, here we are again. I didn't know they're from New Brunswick.
Yep.
They're not that big, are they?
I don't know.
Oh.
I guess we'll see. Those are the chests that are killing kids.
Oh, are they? Those ones? How heavy are they?
They're pretty heavy, I guess, but there's people that aren't strapping them to the wall.
They're not that big. I'm surprised
They
they.
might have a bigger one.
Yeah, I'm surprised they fall over that easily. Oh yeah, toys are on sale. I think buy one get one free.
Do you want
I mean,
me to
stuffed
give you a little
animals.
a little pencil to take home?
No, I'm good. Oh, it's really quiet. Like the first time ever.
This is good for me to do my primitive stuff. I can just buy one of those
Yeah.
and make.
Is the wood real? Let's see. Yeah. Good. Actually, that song is real.
What's that?
The wood's real. They're good.
Ooh.
Oh, they're not really comfy. Not this one, anyways.
Not this one either.
I like the TV
And the TV.
and the fake PlayStation. That's nice. It's a really dark kitchen to put her in. No heat. I need to go do my editing. Excuse me.
Totally cool.
I need to do my editing.
Does it work?
That's fake.
Dad and I could live in a house inside. Then you could come visit.
Yeah. Yeah, we are.
There's more crates for you to paint.
Here, buy me this and paint.
Oh,
Paint.
that whole thing.
No, we don't need more crates. Use TV actually for sale. I don't think.
We'll frogs have been here.
What is this?
It's a Christmas pudding.
Kit?
Yeah. This is what we have to get. We have to get one of those.
So this is, yeah. That's cool.
And some playfish.
We're now in the kitchen section, I think. Ooh, a turkey.
It's well done.
Oh, the oranges, are they fake too?
Yeah.
Dang. Alright, here we go. Go for aisle 21. Bin 13, I think. Oh yeah. The big warehouse. And we got lots of Christmas presents. Aisle 21. It's probably at the very end. Coming?
But that's...
Aisle 21's over here somewhere.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, we go from 18 and 20, so I have to go this way. Yeah, it's over there. Where are you going? Get over here, you stupid cart. Yeah, I can't do this with one hand. Zoe. No, you got her. Yeah. You think? You got tied down.
I love watching people try to walk with these carts. I hear it really hurts your knees because your cart is going sideways down here.
Oh, we're trying to get the speed up. Oh, there we go. There we go. They got the speed up.
Well, that'll be a fun ride to do that.
I wonder what it is.
That's so fun, right? Yeah.
25 minutes later. They're from in front of it, so they gotta take one trip. Alright, they're taking everything back out. It's not over yet. Boy,
Oh, I thought you were going to take it in again.
it's a struggle watching this. Struggling watching this. Staple bag. I think they're done. Alright, we're done at IKEA. But I gotta come back at some point with another person. This one's nosy. Oh, I'll zoom in. Okay, there. That one's nosy.
I'm not nosy.
What are they building here?
They're just digging holes. I don't know.
Look, it's actually dirt.
They're gonna
and
have
not
to dynamite it though. That's probably what they're getting ready to do.
rock. Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna pick up. Is he picking up that little machine? I don't know what he's doing. Yeah.
Cool. Anyways, Kent's up here. You just saw it, but now you can't see it. Well, what was I gonna say? Tesla has made an electric 18-wheeler.
Yes, they're supposed to be getting some in Canada.
Ugly as frig. And nobody likes them.
That's pretty ugly. Why doesn't anybody like them?
Because they're not noisy.
Oh.
Yeah, there's
right,
Kent.
of course.
There's Kent. Cool.
the driveway's gonna be a bit bumpy.
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
Alright, we just got finished at Toys R Us actually. I want to come here and see if they had any of these for my collection before the anniversary season is over. Okay, I'll show you after. And so I got something I don't have, and then I saw this box that said Monster Jam on top of the shelf I can't reach. So I asked the people, you have to try to find somebody first. There's like nobody in there working. And so she got the box down, and it was Star Wars stuff. Like, seriously? Really?
Oh,
So-
that's a bummer.
Anyways, we're going home. I gotta do painting, and I gotta do today's video too, because I promised I'd have one up. I got something from yesterday. No, not yesterday, the day before.
You did get video yesterday.
No, I mean, I went to the valley. That's today.
Oh, right,
video.
yes.
So I gotta get those going first, and then I'll start painting, and I gotta get it done before Dad gets home. That's not gonna happen. So, yeah, that's it for now. Okay, here we come to the bridge again.
Sorry, we didn't go across the McDonald Bridge.
Alright.
Do you see Robert out there anywhere?
I see no boats.
Jeez, I hope he didn't sink. I see a boat out there, but I don't know what it is.
How big is the boat going?
It's, I don't know. But there is a boat coming up here. I'm wondering if he's on it. It's got a crane on it. It's coming up the bridge.
Might be it then. That's it. It has a crane. Why the open there? There's a big crane
Yeet.
there.
Is this all lined up to go around here? Oh.
Yep, I'm afraid it is. Oh.
I'm afraid we're gonna do a detour.
Okay. It's all backed up there too. That rush hour. No.
Shouldn't be yet. School out, maybe that's
Maybe
why.
there's an accident. Little fender bender.